This is our fourth broken down vehicle in the last 45 minutes. Luckily, the mechanic arrived, so let's hope and pray that the mechanic can assist him quickly. Anything can happen on the highway at any time, so always ensure that your vehicle is roadworthy. Always ensure that your tank is full because you can get stuck. So for us as officers, it's always important to have a spare bottle because you never know when you come along a vehicle that is stuck without petrol that does not have a funnel. A bottle always works, guys. Control, take note. We 10-8 from that last 1064. All is in order. The vehicle is moving. Just stand by for another one. The motor vehicle that I just reported has a tire issue. It does not have a spare tire. So this is one of the most dangerous things. Another major issue that we've noticed is, especially over the weekend, people or motorists, they go out, they party, they have a drink, and now you can't drive home. And then they stand along the highway, especially the N2, and sleep. So anything can happen. So please, guys, if you are going to drink, rather take a Uber.